Hey Heavystoners, a big shout out to the usual suspects, trimmed off, done stuff. Thanks for all the support. Love you guys. In my practice, I treat muscle, skeletal issues. But I always approach my patients from a holistic viewpoint, taking into account mind, body, and emotions and how they may be affecting those issues. 90% of the time, there's a connection. I've noticed a lot of my patients that are experiencing chronic pain conditions are also experiencing stress in their lives. Stress not only affects your mood, your energy level, your relationships, and work performance, but it can also contribute to the development and worsening of numerous health issues. Mastering stress can have a significant impact on all the other aspects of your life. Persistent stress reactions can lead to serious health problems such as cardiovascular disease. Research has shown that individuals who experience chronic stress have a higher risk of developing and dying from cardiovascular disease. Digestive disorders. There's a two-way connection between the brain and the gut. Digestive disorders can both cause and be aggravated by stress. Prolonged stress can disrupt normal digestive functions, leading to pain, bloating, and discomfort. In addition, stress can also contribute to weight gain, headaches, irritability, diabetes, insomnia, and other related effects. Understanding the impact of stress on our well-being can empower us to take proactive steps in managing and reducing stress levels. By mastering stress, we can improve our overall health, enhance our ability to cope with challenges, and lead happier, more balanced lives. Part of my stress relief is posting every day and giving a positive message that hopefully benefits you, because your health is more important now than it was yesterday.